Hi everybody, it's good to see you guys. So today I have a very spur of the moment unboxing, and this is totally not planned at all. I have always loved bags from this tiny little collection from Coach. I've got the bag over here, and earlier today I was just like, thinking, wow, this bag is like on sale right now. There's like no better time to go ahead and get this bag than right now. And so I went ahead and just swing by my mall today earlier and decided to go inside and try it on. This is a bag that honestly, it's totally not my style at all. And I don't have a bag at all in this color in my collection, and you're gonna check it out and see it here whenever I unbox it. But I don't really do unboxings on my channel either. And so I just wanted to kind of do this with you guys. I did try this bag on. It is absolutely adorable. I'll give you a little hint. It is from the Quilties collection by Coach, and it's been out since the summer. So they have like the Willis 18, they have the Swinger, the little lunchbox, and then they also have the Dinky, the little Dinky 18. So I tried on all of those in the store, and I picked out one. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it with you here on the channel. And again, I don't normally do unboxings. I just kind of like to do reviews. I'm just not like a, but since I kind of already know what this bag is, I'll just let you guys see it. So it does have the pretty Coach wrapping in the inside. And of course it comes in the dust bag. And you can kind of see here, little top poking through. And I got the Willis 18, and this is the color Rouge. It is so cute. I can't even take it. I am not normally like a pink person, but I don't know, this shade of pink with this style of bag, it is so stinking cute. And I really love Coach's Napa leather. They use it on the pillow tabbies, and then they used it on these Quiltie bags. It's just so adorable. So on the inside, okay, you've got the front here, and you've got the little hang tag. There is a back slip pocket, and I will put my phone. This is just like a really small bag, like way smaller than what I normally use. But I'm gonna slide my phone in to show you it does fit in the back. It's got the nice little top handle, and then it does come with a crossbody strap. That's a chain crossbody strap. But right now, this color in particular is like on sale. It's like 40% off, and then I think you get an extra 25% off on top of that. So I really couldn't pass this up. Here is the inside. It's completely stuffed. This is a fresh bag. And then here is the chain strap. So this is an adjustable, removable strap too, which is great. And there's so many adjustments on this. And I did try it on. It hits like right below my hip. It's perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and play with it a little bit this weekend and come back with you guys with a full review on this bag. So I just wanted to show it to you though. It is so stinking cute. And I love it because it can just hold, my keys, my like a card holder, and even it does hold my glasses and sunglasses in it, and my phone. So, it's got the purpose that I need for it, and yeah. So, all right, thanks guys so much, and I'll be back with another video probably over the weekend for you guys. Okay, thanks, bye-bye.